purchase that print myself anyway.
How much is it, baby?
You snooze, you lose. That's what I always say, and it's a great investment.
That's right. How much is it, baby?
It'll double its value in 5 years.
Whitley, how much is it?
$3,000.
$3,000 for a picture? Are you crazy, woman? We got a television in there that costs $300. We get a different picture every time we put it on.
This is a limited edition. It's a bargain.
No. 3 pair of socks for $2.99. That's a bargain.
Dwayne, would you please step up? I bought art for a living. Trust me.
It's not about trust, baby. It's about learning to live within our means.
Well, that doesn't mean live like paupers. I put a little more in the account every month. I make enough.
You make enough.
I just mean I'm getting a hefty pay raise soon.
Well, congratulations, Leona. Since you make so much more, why don't you buy the thing yourself?
I can't afford it by myself, Dwayne. Excuse me, Buster. We're having a little conversation here.
Carry on. We finished this conversation.
Oh. We can't afford the print, but we can afford to feed Jughead.
At least Jughead just doesn't hang on the wall and do nothing, okay?
Really?
Oh, thanks. Women control your woman there, brother. Ain't no way in the world we spending $3,000 for no stupid picture.
It just sounds like a lot to you because you're a cheap, wallet-clutching, coupon-cutting tightwad.
You want to sit in my house and call me cheap and eat my food? I'm smart with money, okay? And Whitley has no right to throw that bigger paycheck in my face.
Oh, relax, money. Kid makes more than me. Do you see me complaining?
You don't make anything, Mom.
Regardless, we can afford it. Look, it's not just your little professor paycheck anymore. You got her big one, too. Unless it ain't even about that. Maybe you just want to make all the decisions.
Please, I'm a much bigger man than that.
Are you? Well, I gotta get going to my double-day dinner. Kim wants to pass the peace pipe. She thinks that Shazza and myself and Freddie should sit down and act like human beings. And I don't like the way he's always pushing up on Freddie.
That's kind of the way you always pushing up on Kim, man.
No. See, that's different.
That's different because you ain't getting any.
No, wait.